Everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel. We are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Olerato Mongale. Guys, Olerato Mongale is a Rhodes University student. She was 30 years and her body was found, her lifeless body was found on the street, guys. Olerato was a 30-year-old pretty girl who went on a date, her first date with a man on Sunday, guys. 2 hours later, they found her lifeless body on the street, guys. Olerato Tua, before she went on the date, she alerted the friends that, if I do not share my location, please, you can search for me. I'll share my location each and every hour. She did share the first location, but after the first location, after an hour, she didn't share another location, and she promised. Remember, she promised my friends like I'll share the location an hour. After an hour, I'll share another location. If I move to another location, I'll share it. So ebanganini bakhe ithuse kakhulu ukuthi why Olerato didn't say the second location, or why didn't she share the location, even if they didn't change the location with the man they went on a date, guys. Olerato kuthiwa ulandwe ipolo VW white limlande kakhe, on where she was staying. She has her own car, but the date insisted that they go with his car, guys. And the car, as you can see on the pictures, mayizomlanda beyibheke emuva. So to me, mina just feel as if vele the guy bekanayo into ukuthi ufuna ukuqeda ngayo. It was never iplan kaguy, it was never about a date, it was never about ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha izinto, because even the belongings, her belongings, they were found, guys, there. So guys, there are two sides of the story that I heard. There's a side of the story that I believe that comes from the family member. They are saying Olerato with this guy, they met at a mall a few days before, hence it was their first formal date. Then there's another story, but they started dating on these dating apps, guys. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with both of the way indlela bahlangene ngayo, both stories. I don't see anything wrong, because she did alert the friends, because you know what, I'm going out with this man. Can you please, if I do not share the location, you can search for find my phone, or share my location. You can search for find my phone on the iPhone. There's even on, I think, Android, there's an app that's called Find My Phone. Then you can see ukuthi umuntu uhamba kuphi, which is something that I think Olerato was wise, ne? So ibody Olerato was found Sunday ngo-5. Olerato footnote 5, at the time it says 04:48, that means it's to 5. Olerato uphume kakhe endlini ngo-3 p.m. This is less than even 2 hours Olerato bekangasekho emhlabeni. But ke I'm glad story saka Olerato has a way forward, because today sifande ukuthi the people, ama suspects we murder Olerato bawatholile. There are two guys, but these guys vele they were out on bail, because bebaboshiwe baphume on bail ngo April. This is May. Ngo April they are out on bail, and into ebuhlungu kunazo zonke, they did a similar thing. Even though the lady lo bekababophisile, they didn't kill her, but they did kidnap the lady, and they did it is a similar story, because even the lady uthi bekadata one of them, you get me? So but there are two. The two of the three men wanted in connection with the murder of Olerato Mongale, identified as Bongani Mtimkulu and Ngenkosi Makhanya, igama elimnanje, were arrested on April 20 in Parapan after allegedly being caught in the act of kidnapping and robbing a young lady. These are guys who they are suspects on the case Olerato. According to the Parapani, the suspects were apprehended while driving a VW Polo. During the report of the incident, the men were granted bail in the following their arrest. You see the justice system of South Africa. If these guys they didn't get bail, ngabe Olerato usaphila, guys. Let's just be honest. If these guys they didn't get bail, ngabe Olerato usaphila. If these guys they didn't get bail, ngabe labantu la, because I don't know good, how can you get bail while you kidnap someone asemsebenzini on lunchtime? umuntu uthola ibheli kuthiweni akasingozi loyo muntu emphakathini, umuntu okwazi ukidnap umuntu akasingozi loyo muntu emphakathini. This is the justice system as South Africa. We've been saying justice system as South Africa is failing us, but I'm glad ukuthi case ka Olerato has a light, guys. So these guys bavezile, and the guy, remember Olerato the VW kuthiwa iregister ngegama lomunye umuntu, the VW number plate mawibheka that number plate mabayishaya ivela as iToyota Hilux. That means but the owner of the VW, thanks God, I think the police now they are taking this case serious, because they are saying the owner of the car has been arrested. It's an old guy. The owner of the car is being arrested. Will wait for his day in court. And the sad part, but Olerato's parents has suffered multiple miscarriage, and they had Olerato was the only child that they had, guys. Oh, I don't wanna lie. This is very sad, and I cannot blame anyone. I can't blame Olerato, but I must say the friends Olerato and Nabo, these are two friends who will worry, why don't you come back? You understand? So it is so sad, guys. South Africa's pillar. I know crime is all over the world, but here in South Africa, in crime zone, you don't know. Olerato did everything right. Ubatsheli abangani bakhe, ubatsheli ukuthi uyapi. She wanted to go with her car there, but the guy insisted. And remember, guys, these serial killers, they have a good mouth, they have a good tongue. Labantu laba umuntu angakukhohlisa manje umbelieve athi no, you know what, ngifuna ukuba i-gentleman. And sometimes uthola ukuthi umthembise ukuthi they'll go in a public space. So that information, guys, is a finder from a family girl Olerato, since they are saying they are trying to track to open the phone girl Olerato so that they can know, they can see a conservation girl Olerato and this guy. You understand? I mean, all I wanted to say is that I'm happy good at least the family girl Olerato is totally justice, unlike other families in South Africa that they haven't gotten their justice up until today. It is very sad, guys. It is very sad. And if you look at these young men, they are very young. Just that this means vele they are serial killers. They were in mission on this thing. Mina, I think that this is not the first time they're doing this thing, and I pray this is the last time, because it seems like they have their target market because there is no way ukuthi basuke la bafuna umuntu baze bamthole. You understand? And you can see even the panel beater where the car bayithole khona mele ku investigate ukuthi bathatha imoto ngaliphi, and even the car bashula ukuthi musi beyinegazi. I mean, all I want to know, why did they do this thing? What makes them? How do they feel ukuthi uthatha umphefumulo womunye umuntu angakwenzanga next? An innocent young lady, even the lady bebamkidnaphile yena sesibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi aphile. An innocent young lady, guys. I think our South African justice system, they need to take these cases very serious, because I'm still saying if azange baphume ngebail ngaba sikho kule nkinga lesukuyi, ngabo Olerato usaphila namhlanje, ngabo mama Olerato usesenomntwana today. So the unfortunate part, even though bangathola justice, but the sad part is Olerato anyeka sabuya. But that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda kuya nokubuya.